Sunday is probably my favorite day of the week. And even though we feel that Sundays are a rest day, I also feel like Sunday can be a day where you set yourself up for a productive week. So welcome to my productive Sunday routine. I think that we all can agree that if our Sundays are messy, chaotic, and just not active in the sense of setting ourselves up for the week, that will not make us feel great. And I think there's a lot of things that we can do to help us start our Monday strong, okay? A lot of people don't like drinking coffee so early in the mornings, but I feel like it helps me wake up. It just gives me a little bit of an extra boost for a mini yoga session. So I will link this yoga session in the description for you. I just wanted to stretch a little bit, give my brain some good serotonin and dopamine.
Welcome. This is an energizing 10-minute morning yoga full body stretch. So nothing too intense, just a gentle movement and movement.
And this may seem a little bit overkill. I am a visual person and I like making lists. I thrive on lists. So I use Notion to plan out the day, plan out all of the things that I have to do, like food shopping. So for breakfast, I am making a very yummy protein banana pancake. So I'm adding some oats, an egg, and banana with some protein powder just for extra protein and a little bit of butter. And it's so quick and easy. You can do it in the blender. They're absolutely so yummy and so filling. I add a little bit of double plain yogurt and some blueberries and honey, and this will keep me full literally until we have our dinner. So So behind me is a giant dishwashing load that I have to do. We don't have a dishwasher yet. So something that I love to do every other Sunday is just to give the house a little bit of a speed clean. So I'll put a timer on and I will tackle majority of the things that I didn't get to throughout the week, like doing a load of washing, doing the dishes, tidying up, opening up parcels, putting away parcels, opening up PR boxes, just sorting through things that you don't necessarily get to in the week. And something that I've actually been loving doing, and I actually spoke about this in my previous vlog, is having a podcast or listening to a podcast while doing these mundane things like organizing, cleaning, everything. So I love to listen to a podcast while doing this. Like, I'm not hyper focused on the actual task that I'm doing, kind of like dreading, cleaning the dishes. I don't like washing dishes. I would rather clean a toilet before I wash dishes. I don't know what it is. I just hate it. That's just my preference. So when I have a podcast on, I feel like I am listening more towards what is happening in the podcast than the actual task that I'm doing. So let's tackle this. Okay, so I'm gonna put on a podcast. I'll show you what I'm listening to. Yeah, and I'm just gonna do it. No overthinking, just do it. And then on to the other kind of left out to-do tasks are laundry and washing the laundry and folding the laundry and definitely cleaning up the house for the week ahead. So obviously my makeup station or my vanity gets quite messy throughout the week. I do kind of put things back where they belong, but just cleaning them up and obviously cleaning the brushes for the week. Girls, skip on this, but please wash your brushes. It literally helped me in my skincare journey so much. And a little happy dance. So it's about like 4 p.m. and I feel like this is the time usually when Sunday doesn't feel like a Sunday anymore, and it's that kind of weird feeling in your stomach where it kind of feels like Monday is approaching and this big thing is going to happen. And I think a lot of people get anxious around about this time of the weekend. So let's talk a little bit about the Sunday scaries. So basically Sunday scaries are triggering of a fixation on the weekend FOMO, or a trigger about all of the things that you need to do for the week ahead. So I feel like there's a lot of things we can do to combat this. So actually I just want to share with you guys the things I do to help combat the Sunday scaries. So I feel like a few things we can do is definitely journaling. It helps to purge out those feelings. I've actually said it in my previous vlog. It prepares you mentally to kind of have a better week or a better day. You get to have a moment for yourself where you can just put everything out on paper, because I feel like we don't speak our minds that often. So maybe then writing it down could be a better option. I also love meditation, whether that be just for 5 minutes. I feel like just doing it for 5 minutes, focusing on my breathing, coming back to my body, really helps drive away those anxious feelings. I can just check in with myself, and I actually love using Headspace. I will have the Sunday Scary 5-minute routine down below. I do the meditation usually around about this time, and then this may seem a little, I want to say silly, but cooking together really helps me to feel like I'm still in the Sunday mood rather than, oh, we are preparing for Monday. So H and I really love to cook together on a Sunday, especially in the evenings. Usually would be around about this time. We will start cooking and just enjoy each other's conversation. No cell phones, nothing. So tonight we are actually making cottage pie or shepherd's pie. And this really reminds me of winter in my childhood home. It reminds me of my grandma and just good vibes. So anything that brings you good vibes, I feel like do that on a Sunday evening to scare away the Sunday scaries. Something that definitely helps scare away the Sunday scaries is having a candlelit shower. There's just something of the flames of the candle, the warmth, light of the candle, absolutely no other artificial lights, that helps me kind of be calm and relaxed, scrubbing my body, washing my hair, and then also doing my skincare, doing my hair care, and just focusing on me and giving myself the proper treatment I need. And then, I don't know, but there's nothing better than a Sunday movie. So tonight we were watching Rainfield. I would definitely recommend it. We had some great laughs and just good vibes too. And then obviously getting your proper 8 hours of sleep, just getting into bed early enough, that makes for a great Sunday. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys had a wonderful Sunday. I hope you're not experiencing any Sunday scaries, and I hope you have a good night.